Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello po ma'am, happy birthday po.
Hi guys! Another wash, another day. First of all, may special akong babatiin. Ma'am Lee, happy birthday ma'am. More birthday to come and God bless. Thank you ma'am for all. We love you ma'am.
Happy birthday. Thank you kay sa tanan ma'am. Not kung ma'am daghan pang katuigan mabos imong kinabuhi. Take care always and God bless.
Hi Ma'am Lee, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa iyo and God bless po. Salamat.
Hi Ma'am, good morning. Happy birthday.
Hi Ma'am Lee, happy birthday. Good health and stay pretty always.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Best wishes for your wonderful birthday and a fantastic year ahead. So good health and happiness. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday po kami.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. Great happy birthday. Ingat po kayo palagi. More blessings to come. God bless. Thank you.
Hi Ma'am Lee, happy birthday. Stay strong and good health. Amping always. Enjoy your day. Salamat sa tanan.
Happy birthday ma'am. Thank you for being such a kind and understanding boss. I really appreciate it. How you always look out for us. Look out for us. Your employee is not just for work, even personally. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come.
Ma'am, happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat. As in, lahat. Mag-iingat na lang po kayo palagi and more benta. God bless.
Good morning po ma'am. Happy birthday po. Wish you more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po.
Hi Ma'am Lee, good morning po. Happy birthday. More blessed to come. And good health. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you ma'am, thank you. And happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Ma'am Lee, happy birthday po. God bless.
Good morning po Ma'am Lee. Happy birthday po. May this year bring you a happiness, success, and good health. Have a fantastic birthday po.
Good morning po. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Lee. More birthday to comes po and good health. And happy birthday po ulit.
Maligayang kaarawan, Ma'am Lee. Hangad ko ang kaligayahan, kalusugan, at kasaganahan sa iyong buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin sa Super Wash!
Happy birthday Ma'am Lee. Wish you more birthdays to come. God bless po.
Hi po Ma'am Lee. Happy birthday po. God bless you po.
Hello po, Ma'am Lee. Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat. Happy birthday po.
Hi Ma'am Lee, happy birthday po. Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa inyo, sa lahat po ng naitulong niyo sa akin, sa kapwa ko po mga staff. Sana po wag po kayong magsawang gabayan, turuan kami sa mga mali namin, at itama po yun. Sana nandyan po kayo palagi para sa amin ma'am. Wish ko lang po sa inyo ma'am, sana bigyan po kayo ng Panginoong Diyos ng mahabang buhay, malusog na pangangatawan, lalong-lalo na po yung pamilya mo. Again, ma'am, thank you and God bless.
Hi, Ma'am! Happy birthday! Stay pretty as always. Wish ko lang, sana lagi kang healthy everyday for your babies. And thank you for always supporting me. Supporting my panlalalaki. Oh my God! Anyways, more chismis to us. Again, happy birthday.
Ma'am Lee, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng suporta niyo sa aming mga staff, lalong-lalo na sa akin ang time nagkaroon ako ng unforgettable bad experience. And wish ko lang stay healthy, stay strong, and more blessing, more birthday to come, and more power sa Super Was. Again, thank you and happy birthday po.
Hello ma'am, magandang buhay. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. More birthday to come. Mag-iingat ka palagi ma'am. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat ma'am sa lahat. Tulong niyo sa akin. Andiyan kayo palagi. Hindi niyo kami naman pinapabayaan. Napakabuti niyo ma'am na napakabuti niyong tao ma'am. Dahil ma'am birthday mo ngayon, ikaw ang pinakamagandang babae sa akin ngayon. Love you. Mwah. Peace out.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Happy birthday Ma'am Lee Anggotan. I wish more blessed to come and be happy always. Thank you.
Hi Ma'am Lee. Maligayang kaarawan. God bless you at palaging mag-ingat. Ingatan ka parahin ni Lord. At salamat sa lahat sa pagiging mabuting amo at mabait. Yan lang po. Happy birthday.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. More birthday to come, more blessing to come. Andito lang kami para sa iyo, sa suportahan sa mga nais mo at gusto mong gawin for Super Wash. And syempre good health ma'am. Thank you po sa lahat. And enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday!
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Always remember na dito kami to support you. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lee, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lee, and more birthdays to come po and more blessings to come. Thank you for everything po and God bless. Enjoy your birthday.
Video ka.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Lian!
Ay, Nak, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you.
Ganda, happy birthday. Good health na lang. Wala na akong mahiling pa sa iyo. Nasa iyo na ang lahat.
Happy birthday, Ate Lian. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Lian.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sa aking mahal kong pamangkin, Lian, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Sa bawat taon na lumilipas, lalo akong humahanga sa katatagan mo. Sipag at pagmamahal na ipinapakita mo sa iyo pong pamilya. Alam kong hindi naging madali ang iyo pong ipinapakita mo sa iyo pong pamilya. At alam ko rin na hindi naging madali ang iyong pinagdadaanan. Pero pinatunayan mo na kaya mong lampasan ang lahat basta't may pananampalataya, determinasyon at puso. Ngayon nakikita ko kung paano mo inalagaan ang iyong pong pamilya at kung paano mo pinaghahandaan ang magandang kinabukasan para sa kanila. Hindi lang ako proud sa iyo, Lian. Sobrang saya ko rin na nakita kitang masaya, ligtas at matagumpay. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging inspirasyon mo sa lahat na nakapaligid sa iyo, lalo na po sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Nawa'y punuin ng Diyos ang iyo pong buhay ng kalusugan, kasiyahan at walang hanggang pagpapala. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Lian, at lagi mong tandaan, lagi akong nandito para sa iyo. Hindi lang bilang tiyuhin, kundi bilang pangalawang magulang na handang umalalay sa lahat ng oras. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Hello, Lian.
Hello, Ninang.
Happy birthday.
Ninang.
Ilang taon ka na nga ba?
Hello, Ninang.
Ano ba yun? Ay, oo. Ano ka na pala?
42.
Ano ka na pala? Ganito ng edad mo? Parang hindi man halata. 42 ba? Tapos, parang 41 and a half. Hindi halata. Kaya, joke lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sana maging malusog ka. At yung mga anak, siyempre, lalo na kayo ni Brian. Lahat kayo dyan, sana nga ay patuloy kayong i-bless
ni God,
ni Lord. Tapos, tuloy-tuloy lang pagiging mabuting tao, mabuting pamangkin, at mabuti sa kapwa. Salamat at stay as beautiful as you are. At happy birthday and God bless unto your family. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Happy birthday.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 윤지연 생일 축하합니다.
Happy birthday, Lian! Happy birthday, Lian! Happy birthday, Lian! I wish you all the happiness, stay beautiful, and may you have all the blessings you truly deserve. I love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Lian. More blessings to come and more sales for Superwash. And sana bilan ka pa ni Tito Brian ng maraming sneakers. And long life. And continue being a super mom to Brian and Blue. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hi Lian! Happy birthday! Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung friendship na meron tayong dalawa kasi kahit hindi tayo nakikita, isang chat ko lang sa'yo, for sure non-stop na yung usapan natin. And alam mo yan. Anyways, I wish you all the best, good health sa buong family mo, and more blessings. I love you and enjoy your special day. See you soon!
Hi girl! Happy birthday! I wish you all the happiness and syempre good health. And I know you're happy, you have your own family, you have your 2 kids, and hopefully magkaroon na rin ng little Lian. I love you girl. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye!
Hi!
Hi, Lian.
How are you?
Happy birthday.
Yes, so they told us that you get the 1 year wiser.
So, we wish you all the best, of course.
Absolutely, yes. Send you big hugs and kisses.
Stay happy, stay beautiful. We miss you and we miss your family, and we'll see you very, very soon.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello. Good morning, anak. Lian. A blessed happy birthday to you, anak. Stay pretty, generous, happy, and in love. Happy birthday, anak. Many more blessings, more cake to blow, more years to celebrate. I'm happy for you and bait. Okay, anak. God bless you and the kids. Happiest birthday. Love you, anak. Ingat. Stay safe and healthy. God bless you. Bye. Hailey, happy birthday. I was told you're going to have a surprise birthday party today, so I'm sure you can enjoy yourself. Blow as many candles as you like, eat as much cake as you like. It's your day, so enjoy yourself. I miss you, Brian, Blue, and Brian. Oh, and also Sam, of course. Okay, so have a great day. And I hope to see you soon, but I don't think it's going to be this year. But I love you and sending you lots of hugs to everybody. Bye.
Hi, Julian.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wala akong masabi.
Ako rin.
Basta birthday mo. Happy birthday. Happy kami sa'yo. Wala na akong ma-wish. You're so blessed na with your 3 boys. Kagaya ko.
Swerte talaga kayo.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday.
From the Desagons with love. Love you, Tantikans. We love you.
Love you. Birthday.
Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lee, and happy birthday to you. Para sa akin pinakamamahal na BFF, Lian, happy birthday. You deserve all the happiness in the world. You're so blessed. Napaliligiran ka ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Una na dyan, syempre, ang iyong pamilya. Si Brian, na very supportive, diba? And your 2 beautiful children, si Brian at saka si Blue. And of course, kami mga kaibigan mo, we're very grateful for you. We love you very much, and we look forward for more gimmicks talaga, travels, and basta lahat ng mga fun times and not so fun times na shinare natin over the years. Gusto tumanda tayo, diba? We love you, and God bless you more with healthier years ahead. Stay beautiful, stay happy. We love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Pick a song number. Happy birthday, my beautiful kumare. You're aging like wine and beautiful as ever. May God continue to bless you beyond measure, and so happy to see you, how happy you are as a family that you have right now. God bless.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Lian. Enjoy your day. God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Lian. I wish you all the best and good health. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lian.
Madam Jilly. More jewelries to come.
Stay vibrant and happy all the time. God bless.
Tung 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 sahur.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lian. We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lian.
want to tag.
Happy birthday, Tita Leanne!
Wishing you all the happiness that you deserve. I know your birthday will be a blast because you have your beautiful boys around you. We love you and miss you. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Mwah-mwah. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Leanne!
Hi, Lee. Happy birthday. I miss you. Love you, babe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you, cuz. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Tita Leanne! We love you. Love you. Love you. Huwag ka masyadong ma-stress. Kasi tumatanda na tayo. Ano pa ba? Lagi naman tayo magka-chat. Tawag-tawagan mo na ako pag hindi ka busy, ha? We love you. I love you.
Love you.
Love you po.
Miss
I
you.
love you po.
Hi ate, happy birthday, and I wish you a good health, and thank you for the support and everything, and sana happy ka sa birthday mo. I love you ate, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Lian.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Tagalog din.
Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Nawa'y tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Lahat ngayon, mukha mo'y masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy birthday to you.
Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. I imagine we fell in love on that wonder moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Ay, happy birthday babe. Wala, sa kotse ko na ginawa kasi mahirap sa bahay, mga bata, tsaka happy birthday, enjoy your day, more birthdays to come. Yun lang, I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love